on July 22nd. Now, between now and then, the Chandrayaan-2 spacecraft will orbit the moon for 2 weeks as mission control adjusts its orbit to bring the vehicle closer to the moon and orient it over the poles. Now, near the end of this period, the orbital spacecraft will then separate from the lander. It's called the Vikram, which is also carrying a rover called the Providence. Now, whatever happens with this landing is anyone's guess, because what's interesting is that Chandrayaan-2 is another attempt by a country to actually put something on the moon. The Israeli lander, the Beresheet lander, attempted a feat earlier this year to land on the moon, but it crashed during the final moments of descent. Now, what's interesting about the Israeli lander, and what people may not know, is that according to a Wired magazine article, we found out, the news found out, and it probably won't make mainstream, so don't even expect it to, but they found out that what happened to the Beresheet Israeli probe was that it crashed. The Israeli lunar lander crashed to the moon's surface in April, and it actually had some passengers on board. They had a capsule filled with dehydrated microscopic organisms known as tardigrades. Now, many people have seen the tardigrades. They look like aliens themselves. Little claws. They look like little larvae with claws with a big sucker on the end. They're called water bears, and they're known to withstand very extreme environments. They may have survived the wreck. Almost no one knew that they were on board until a recent report in Wired revealed this. Apparently, some company that called themselves Arch Mission, which is Arch Mission Foundation, they're a U.S. nonprofit, they had a goal to create a digital and biological backup of planet Earth out in space. Now, the team had the approval to add a digital library on the lander, but they didn't inform Israel or the United States that they were going to put water bears on the lander. So there's been a directive after directive after directive that says we cannot contaminate the moon with our stuff, but we can't contaminate celestial bodies with our stuff, but they go a little different with the moon. Why? Because they say nothing lives on the moon. Nothing is alive on the moon, at least so we think, okay? But the last Chandrayaan spacecraft found water on the moon, something that a tardigrade would love to swim in, or ice, apparently. But here's the thing. Back when Apollo 12 went to the moon, astronauts actually retrieved parts of the Surveyor 3. That landed on the moon in April of 1967. And guess what they found? They found bacteria on the probe. It survived the launch, managed to stay alive with a